And continuing today in southern Indiana, we're following the Taylor Barefoot sentencing. Barefoot is the driver in the wrong way crash that killed 3 people, members of 2 different families, last March. Our southern Indiana reporter Elle Smith has been in the courtroom now for the 2nd day in a row. She's been covering the sentencing hearing. Elle?
Doug, today was the 2nd day of that sentencing hearing, and yesterday was all about the prosecution, and today was all about the defense and establishing Barefoot's character. And who was the first person that the defense called? Her father. Now, he spoke about her childhood and what she was like, but then he spoke about how Barefoot was after the accident, what her mental state was then and what it is now. One thing he did say is he never expected anyone to forgive her, but he hoped that one day she could forgive herself. Barefoot's husband, therapist, and co-worker were among those that also spoke. The defense is trying to establish that Barefoot is a one-time offender and that a long-term prison sentence would be detrimental for her family, but also her recovery as an alcoholic. Now, Barefoot's husband said that Barefoot was sorrowful and that she was remorseful. He even apologized to the victim's family today and said that he wished he could take away their pain.
Well, Elle, you've been there 2 days in a row now, as we just said. We know that it isn't over yet. So what's the next step in this sentencing? Is this going to continue next week?
It is going to continue. I think a lot of people thought that the sentence would come down today, but the judge indicated that he wants to take time with his decision. He said due to the tragedy of this case, he doesn't want to rush his decision, so he set a date of April 19th at 9:30 a.m. for those closing arguments, but even then he said he may not have a decision.
Okay, Elle, thank you very much. Reporting live from Floyd County.